Welcome back to another insightful video from cryptocurrencies.com. Who doesn't want to earn passive income? Especially when you can do it without risk. Let's talk about the realities of crypto staking. Cryptocurrency staking has become a popular method for investors to earn passive income through their crypto holdings. The process involves locking up a certain amount of crypto funds for a set period to help maintain network operations and validate transactions. In return, stakers receive rewards in the form of newly minted coins or transaction fees. In this video, we will explore the best places to stake crypto and highlight the top staking pools in the industry. Staking is a consensus mechanism used by some cryptocurrencies to secure their network. It is a form of validation that replaces the need for energy-intensive proof of work (POW) mining with a more energy-efficient proof of stake (POS) system. In POS, validation is done by stakers who hold and lock up their crypto assets, instead of miners who compete to solve complex mathematical problems. When users stake their cryptocurrency, they become network validators and help validate transactions. In return, they receive rewards for their contributions to the network. The amount of rewards stakers receive depends on various factors, such as the number of coins they hold and the length of time they have staked. Staking cryptocurrency offers several benefits to investors. Here are a few reasons why staking is a popular investment option. 1. Number 1 is passive income. Who doesn't want passive income? Staking allows investors to earn passive income through their crypto holdings without having to actively trade your assets. 2. Number 2 is the increased security. By staking your assets, you can help secure the network and prevent malicious actors from compromising it. 3. Number 3 is long-term investment value. Staking encourages long-term investment as it requires locking up assets for a set period. 3. This helps prevent short-term market volatility from affecting the staked assets. 4. And number 4 is, staking improves decentralization. Staking helps increase decentralization by distributing validation responsibilities among a larger number of individuals. Staking pools are groups of individuals who combine their resources to participate in proof-of-stake consensus systems. By pooling their funds, they increase their chances of earning rewards and minimize the risks of solo staking. Staking pools typically charge a small fee for their services, which is deducted from the rewards earned by the pool. Staking pools work by aggregating the resources of multiple users, which increases their collective chances of earning rewards. The pool operator manages the funds and oversees the staking process. When a block is validated, the rewards are distributed among the pool participants according to their share of the total stake. There are several benefits to using a staking pool. 1. Number 1 is the increased rewards. By pooling their resources, staking pool participants increase their chances of earning rewards. 1. This can result in higher rewards compared to solo staking. 2. Number 2 is the increased security. Staking pools can also increase the security of the network. 2. Since the pool operator manages the funds, they are responsible for ensuring the safety of the funds and the network. 3. And number 3 is their simplicity. Staking pools offer a simple and convenient way to earn rewards through staking. 3. Users do not have to worry about technical details and can simply delegate their funds to the pool. Here are some of the top staking pools in the industry. First, let's talk about MyCointainer. MyCointainer is a staking platform that leverages the power of proof-of-stake technology to provide users with a simple and convenient way to generate profits through staking. The platform offers a one-stop shop solution for anyone looking to get involved in the staking world. With MyCointainer, users can choose from a wide range of POS coins and start earning rewards in a matter of minutes. One of the biggest advantages of MyCointainer is that it is an all-in-one platform that provides users with everything they need to get started with staking. It offers a simple and user-friendly interface, as well as a wide range of POS coins to choose from. Additionally, MyCointainer provides its users with top-notch security features, such as two-factor authentication and SSL encryption, to ensure that their funds are always safe and secure. Another key benefit of MyCointainer is its excellent customer support. The platform provides users with quick and responsive customer support, making it easy for them to get the help they need when they need it. Whether you have a question about the platform or need help with a technical issue, MyCointainer support team is always there to assist you. MyCointainer is currently ranked as the #1 staking platform in the world. The platform offers a great user interface, is simple to navigate, and easy to use. MyCointainer offers a wide range of POS coins, including some of the most popular and lucrative coins in the market. MyCointainer is designed to be simple and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to get started with staking. Here's how it works in 4 easy steps. First, choose your coins. To get started with my Cointainer, simply choose the coins you want to stake from the wide range of options available on the platform. Then deposit funds. Once you have chosen your coins, you can deposit funds into your My Cointainer account. Step 3 is to start staking. Once your funds have been deposited, you can start staking your coins and earning rewards. And finally, step 4 is withdraw your rewards. As you earn rewards, you can withdraw them at any time directly into your personal wallet. My Cointainer takes the security of its users' funds very seriously. The platform uses a range of security measures, including two-factor authentication and SSL encryption, to ensure that all transactions are secure and that user data is protected. Additionally, My Cointainer stores all funds in cold wallets, which provides an extra layer of security and helps to protect against hacking and other security threats. The second staking pool I want to share with you is Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. They offer a staking service for their customers to earn rewards on their crypto holdings. One of the main draws of staking on Coinbase is the potential annual percentage yield on staked coins. According to NerdWallet, the annual percentage yield on staked coins tops out at 5.75%. However, it's important to note that the actual yield may be lower or higher depending on network conditions and other factors. Coinbase's fees for staking are much lower and simpler compared to other platforms. They adhere to a standard maker/taker model, where makers earn more rewards for supporting the network and takers pay a small fee for the convenience of instant transactions. If you're staking on Coinbase's main service, it's important to pay careful attention to the terms around liquidity. The company states that redemptions may take some time to unlock in rare circumstances. This means that you may not be able to access your funds as quickly as you'd like in certain situations. Staking on Coinbase offers a convenient and low-cost option for earning rewards on your cryptocurrency holdings. With a potential APY of up to 5.75% and simple fees, it's a great option for those looking to earn passive income on their crypto investments. However, it's important to carefully consider the liquidity terms and to regularly monitor your staked coins to ensure you're getting the best possible return. Investors who stake with Coinbase can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with using a trusted and secure platform. In third place, we will look at the Uphold platform. Uphold is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2013 with the goal of making it easy for anyone to buy, sell, trade, and store digital assets. It provides a simple, transparent, and secure platform for managing and growing your digital assets. With Uphold, users can trade directly between different asset classes, making it easy to switch from one asset to another. The platform has a user-friendly interface and is available on desktop and mobile devices. Staking on Uphold is simple and straightforward. To start staking, you need to deposit your eligible cryptocurrency into your Uphold account. Then, you can choose to stake your coins and start earning rewards. The platform will take care of the rest, including keeping your coins safe and secure. Staking rewards will be credited to your account automatically, and you can use them to trade, buy, or sell other assets on the platform. One of the key benefits of using Uphold is its transparent fee structure. There are no fees for depositing money onto the platform, unless the deposit is made via a debit or credit card. Most withdrawal methods on Uphold have a fee of $2.99 or $3.99, and these withdrawals will also involve a network fee if they are made via a cryptocurrency. Conversion fees for the various assets available on Uphold range from 0.65% to 3.95%. Uphold is an interesting platform to stake with. It offers a selection of 13 assets and provides a simple, transparent, and secure way to manage and grow your digital assets. Its wide range of assets and user-friendly interface make it an attractive option for traders and investors. Let us know in the comments what your crypto staking experiences have been. And as always, hit that subscribe button and like the video so we can all make crypto money together. Cheers!